Animal behavior is defined as the way an organism responds to changes in its internal or external environment. Ethology is the study of an animal's behavior in normal conditions, not like behaviorism, which is the response of an animal in a laboratory condition. Environment includes plants and other animals, as well as such non-living factors as light and sound. FAP stands for Fixed Action Pattern, which is an innate, highly stereotypical behavior that once begun is continued to completion no matter how useless or silly looking. Fixed action patterns are initiated by external stimuli called sign stimuli. When these stimuli are exchanged between members of the same species, they are known as releasers.
He's got a red belly.
He's got a red belly!
Mating behavior is the pairing of individuals of opposite sexes, especially for reproduction. There are two types of mating behavior, monogamy and polygamy. Monogamy is when an organism has one mate. Polygamy is when an organism has multiple mates.
I love you. I love you. I don't love you. I love you.
Learning. It's the process in which the response of an organism is modified by the results of an experience. Habituation. It's one of the simplest forms of learning in which an animal comes to ignore a persistent stimulus so it can go about its business.
Eventually,
Associative learning is one type of learning in which one stimulus becomes linked to another through experience. Two examples are classical conditioning and operant conditioning. Classical conditioning is a type of associative learning in which a stimulus stimulates an automatic response.
a few moments later.
Clapping means food.
3 weeks later.
Operant conditioning is another type of associative learning. It is also called trial and error learning. It is where an animal learns to associate one of its own behaviors with either a reward or punishment.
Six and a half hours later.
Imprinting is a learning that occurs during a sensitive or critical period in the early life of an individual, and it's irreversible for the length of that period.
The egg is hatching.
Social behavior is any kind of interaction between two or more animals, usually of the same species. Cooperation enables the individuals to carry out a behavior, such as hunting, which they can do as a group more successfully than they can do separately.
Are we helping him? Yeah, I gotta say something. Wait, no, wait.
Oh.
Agonistic behavior is aggressive behavior. It involves a variety of threats or actual combat to settle disputes between individuals. These disputes are commonly over access to food, mates, or shelter.
Be my mate.
No, be my mate.
No. Oh.
Let's go.
They're so cute! Oh. Oh, thank you.
Dominance hierarchies are pecking order behaviors that dictate the social position of an animal in a culture.
Go to the basketball hoop.
Yes, sir.
You. Go to the tree.
No.
Okay.
Get down! Get down! I'm the alpha male!
Okay.
A territory is an area an organism defends and from which other members of the community are excluded. Territories are established and defended by agonistic behaviors. Altruism is a behavior that reduces an individual's reproductive fitness while increasing the fitness of the group or family.
Mommy, no.
Where'd he go?
Mate guarding. When the female is fertile, the male protects her.
I'm gonna go kill that pregnant lady.
Kinesis is a simple change in activity in response to a stimulus. Taxis is an automatic movement towards or away from a stimulus.